Good morning, it's me, Jimmy Eric. So here's my Keychron K6 brown switches mechanical keyboard. This I bought it mainly for typing, blogging. If you don't know, I have my own outingjournal.com, which I consider an online travel magazine. Mainly I bought it for typing and plus some lightweight gaming. For gaming I prefer the blue switches. And what we are waiting for, let's do the unboxing.
What's up guys, it's me Jimmy. Here's the Keychron K6. For last few months I was using this one Magic Refiner RK11. Yeah, it's called RK11, right? Yeah, so I was using this one. I was looking for a much compact keyboard because using this one can be hard. I put my laptop on this small desk, and trying to use keyboard can be a little bit hard. Like, I want something more compact. So let me put this one down and then let's get started with unboxing. Hit the like button. Also, if you wanna support me, make sure to check out my travel YouTube channel, my MBA Market Business Africa channel, my Outing Journal travel blog. Also, if you wanna support me, you can check out the nano degree. Personally, I done 2 nano degree. Also, you can check out the tech degree, and you can check out my courses on Udemy. Now let's get started with the unboxing. I already tried to peel it because I say I will make a fast video. Okay, these are the brown switches tactile mechanical keyboard. This is a little bit pricey. I pay like around like 80 bucks. Yeah, 80 US dollar from Amazon. The link is in the description box below. Let me show you from the side. As you can see here, compact design, dual compatibility. I'm thinking, by the way, I already sold my Apple MacBook Pro refurbished, which I bought it. I already sold it. Now I'm thinking to get a MacBook Air with the M1 processor. I'm also thinking to sell my 3000 US dollar 4K OLED laptop. No, I have a Samsung AMOLED panel, by the way, because I'm going to I'm getting into the Apple ecosystem because it's much cheaper. To be honest, using Apple product, Apple iPhone, MacBook, or the Apple ecosystem is for a poor man. Like, I cannot afford the Windows because everything is expensive. I can just pay $10 subscription per month for these set apps. Like, apps are very cheap on the Mac side. MacBook Air you can get it for $1000. If you need something similar, you have to pay $2000 for the same portability. So a lot of people think that if you are using Apple product, you are rich. No, I'm poor, I'm broke. That's why I'm going to use Apple product, because using like Samsung Galaxy phone is like $1200, where I can get an iPhone 12 for around 700 bucks. Okay, the first thing is that we get, what is this? What is this? I like this this braided USB-C cable. I get some like extra switches. I'm super excited. Okay, I get this keycap remover. I'm going to test out. And what is this? Let me show you. Okay, read function 1 for Q to, okay, name and pair tactile mechanical keyboard for peak. If you are a Windows user, please find the appropriate keycap in the box. In few days maybe I will getting a MacBook. I don't know should I replace the keycaps or not. I'm not sure, but you can replace the keycap. Focus on the reading, by the way. Is there anything? Okay, and then what is this? I'm sorry, why my camera is shaking? One other thing I will be doing this one in my full review is that I'm going to turn off the standby time. I heard like after a few minutes, like the keyboard get into sleep. Like, I never ever try to use Bluetooth on this one because the stand off time is like very bad. Like, after a few minutes the keyboard will turn off and there is no way to configure it. But one thing I love about this keyboard is that this is blue switches. Let me just show you the blue switches. By the way, it's very easy to remove this one, but this is blue switches. But I love this one, the volume knob. I don't know where am I, the light knob went. Anyway, let me just do the unboxing. Let me put everything inside. Okay, let me just put this one down. down, 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 and here is the Keychron K6. Please let me know what do you think about my keyboard. This one, what the F is this? Like, this keyboard is very wide. Like, I was looking for a compact keyboard. What the F is this? I mean, I was looking for like this size keyboard. I was looking for under 300 millimeter or 30 centimeter. It's near, this one is 315 millimeter or 31.5, like, yeah, no, 35 centimeter, 35 cm is the width, and this one is somewhere around maybe 32 centimeter or 320 millimeter. Because the length, I mean the top length, the vertical length, I do not care. Okay, this one is heavy. I don't know, 600 700 gram. This one is very compact. It's 500 gram. It look like. Okay, the first impression is that like this one is $40 keyboard, but this one feel more robust. I don't know why. This one is $80 keyboard. It's very. I love plastic. I think plastic is a revolutionary technology, but this is cheap plastic. This is crappy plastic. I mean, the plastic seems quite crappy. Maybe I will be wrong. Do not worry. This is my honest review. This Keychron, whatever your name is. Let me just take out one switch. Do not hate me. Oh, brown switch. Okay, as you can see, this is the brown switch. Okay, and as you can see, the height of the keyboard. By the way, I will be using, and if you want to buy this one, I will throw in the link. I will be using this one, so there won't be a problem with the height. This 3mm gel pad. By the way, I'm drinking Assam 3mm milk tea. I love this one. Also, this is halal, like halal milk tea. Halal. Okay, halal. Okay, let me just do a quick like typing test. Let's focus on here. Okay, and then let me just. Okay, here we go. Let's focus on it. This is blue switch. This is brown switch. You can see. I was hoping that the blue switches is going to be like, sorry, I was hoping the brown switches is going to be much better and quieter than the blue switch. To be honest with you, I don't have a like the sound meter with me. Like, it seems very same sound. It's maybe at at least 5 decibel like lower compared to blue switches. But it's nowhere like silent. I was hoping. Like, here's my like Logitech keyboard with iPad Pro 12.9. Okay. Is there a ping? Let me do some quick typing there. Personally, if I'm doing vlogging, I'll have 2-finger typing like. So this was the first impression. You need to be the judge how well look to you. The good thing is that it's quite compact, it's quite lightweight, but the width is quite big, to be honest with you. Let me compare the keys side by side. The key seems a little bit bigger on the Keychron. Let me compare by this. You can have a better idea. Yeah, let me do one more thing. I will put it like this. Yeah, like this. Let's do. Let me just remove this one and see how well it look like this. I mean, a lot of people complaining that the height is very, like the height of the keyboard is like 2.6 centimeter or 26 millimeter. I think so, yeah. But I think I can type like this, like. So click subscribe when making in-depth review. Let me know. Also let me know which typing speed test you want me to do. Like I can do multiple typing speed tests of your favorite website. Let me know in the comment section box below, and I love you guys. Bye. You can check out my channel MBA Market Business Africa, where I talk about my African business journey and give you tips and tricks on how to start a business in East and West Africa. And also check out my travel channel Outing Journal, where I love to travel with my wife around the world. My wife is diagnosed with the retinal pigmentosa, so she is like now 75% technically blind, but still we are not giving our hope. As you can see, my wife is half blind. You can check out this video. Also make sure to check out my Spider-Man review. This is Outing Journal. Also check out my online travel magazine Outing Journal, where I love to write about travel article, travel story, for example such as this one. I love travel writing. I want to become one of the best travel writer out there. And I'm also teaching on Skillshare. Please check out Skillshare. I'm giving you a 1 month free trial. Here's my course on Skillshare. More courses are upcoming on Skillshare. I'm teaching on Skillshare. And also check out my courses on Udemy. Yes, my courses on Udemy. I have around 4 courses, over 20,000 students. Most of my courses are going quite well. Make sure to support me on Skillshare and Udemy. That's all. Keep going on. Never stop learning. Learn until you die. Bye.